3 things cats hate and things you should watch out for. First, loud noises. Vacuum cleaners, thunderstorms, even a sudden cough can scare them. Cats have incredibly sharp hearing and get startled easily. Second, snow. While dogs may enjoy frolicking in snow, most cats despise the cold, wet texture. Their paws are extra sensitive, and snow just isn't their thing. Third, being touched in the wrong spots. Sure, belly rubs might be cute for dogs, but for many cats, it's a no-go, especially the tail base or paws. Hands off, human. If your cat gives you that look, now you know why. Which of these annoys your cat the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild animal facts.